Hi everyone, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube, and welcome back to your weekly devotional, day 18. And day 18's devotional is He knows, He knows and He cares. Do you ever have days and periods in life when no one seems to understand you? Perhaps you don't quite connect with others because they don't comprehend the kind of struggle you're going through. While reaching out to others for support is important, reaching up to the Savior is even more so. But by God's grace, you are not only invited, you are called into worship with Jesus, his own Son. He knows exactly how you feel and is filled with compassion for you. His arms are open, wide, and waiting for your approach. Won't you run into him Run to him now and receive his great embrace. And day 17 prayer is, Jesus, thank you for being there for me. Thank you for knowing exactly what I'm going through and being willing to walk through it with me. Thank you for reassuring me with your care, and you are a gift. Thank you all for watching. Please be blessed and be kind, and I will see y'all next week for next week's daily devotion, or weekly devotion, I'm sorry. So, I'm going to say this, be blessed and be kind, and I will see y'all next week. Bye-bye for now.